Are you gearing up to take the TNTET Paper 2 exam? Understanding the exam structure is crucial for effective preparation. With a duration of 3 hours and a total of 150 marks, the exam covers 4 main subjects: Child Development Pedagogy, Language I, Language II, and either Mathematics, Science, or Social Science, depending on your specialization. To help you ace the exam, here are some smart preparation tips to consider. First and foremost, mastering the syllabus is essential. Download the latest TNTET Paper 2 syllabus, PDF, and focus on insert textbooks classes.
ZB.
For subject knowledge, prioritize topics with high weightage from previous years to ensure that you cover the most important areas. Creating a study plan is the next step. Allocate daily time slots for each subject, including short breaks and revision periods. Use weekly goals to track your progress and keep yourself on track. Practicing with previous papers is a valuable strategy. Solve past TNTET papers to understand question patterns and analyze your mistakes to improve speed and accuracy. Utilize mock tests and resources like ATA247's TNTET series for additional practice. Making your own notes is also highly beneficial. Summarize key concepts in your own words. Create formula sheets and use diagrams and mind maps for better retention. This will help you grasp the material more effectively and revise efficiently. Pedagogy is a significant part of the exam, so it's crucial to focus on understanding child psychology, learning theories, and teaching methods. Practice scenario-based questions that test your teaching aptitude to prepare for this aspect of the exam. Language proficiency is another key area to work on. Improve your grammar, comprehension, and vocabulary in both Tamil and English. Practice reading passages and answering questions quickly to enhance your skills in both languages. Regular revision is key to reinforcing your memory and staying sharp. Use flashcards, quizzes, and short tests to keep your knowledge fresh and ensure that you retain what you've learned. In addition to these tips, remember that there is no negative marking in the exam, so attempt all questions. Stay updated with current educational policies and teaching trends to have a well-rounded understanding of the field. Consider joining TNTET prep groups or forums for peer support and valuable resources as you prepare. With these smart preparation tips, you'll be well equipped to tackle the TNTET Paper 2 exam and perform at your best. Good luck with your studies.